Conclusion. Gas is the transaction fee that is paid to the miners in exchange for their computing power, which keeps the network running, processes data, runs code, and validates transactions. Gas is not a separate token, it is paid in ETH. The transaction fees are presented in gas instead of ETH, because while the price of computing remains constant, the price of ETH fluctuates quite a bit. Disconnecting the price of ETH from the cost of computing creates more stability and flexibility. Transaction fee equals gas limit times gas price. Gas price is the value of 1 unit of gas. A higher gas price ensures that your transaction is prioritized by the miners and processed faster. Lower gas price will save you some money, but your transaction gets mined slower. Gas limit is the amount of gas you are willing to spend on a transaction. Ethereum's smart contracts consist of different functions that use a predetermined amount of gas for running, and everyone who wants to transact with these contracts has to provide the sufficient amount of gas to get the transaction completed. If the gas limit is set too low, then the transaction fails due to out-of-gas error. And if the gas limit is set higher than necessary, then the transaction is completed and the remaining unused gas is refunded to the sender. During hectic periods such as ICOs, when there's a lot of microtransactions such as CryptoKitties, then the Ethereum network can get clogged up and create delays lasting for hours or even days. Increasing your gas price to take into account the network congestion will get your transaction completed faster. ICOs are different from regular Ethereum transactions. They use more functions than regular transactions and thus require more gas to run. These amounts are usually presented by the creator of the ICO. Due to increased amounts of transactions, it is also suggested to increase the gas price to ensure a faster confirmation time.